Evening!
Hey, good evening, everyone! Good evening! Energy sa Tagalan Space. Good evening, everyone! Good evening! So, I'm Anthea. Let me introduce myself. I'm Anthea. I've been in Space since October pa lang. So, basically 2 months. Okay, and few of you, di ba, na-meet na ako, and mas daghan ang dili. Okay lang mag-Bisaya. Ang dili kasabot, pasabta lang. Okay? So, nag-start ko din sa N-Space. I started renting here in N-Space because we want to expand here in Cebu City. So, we have a healthy foods outlet there in Tabunok. Familiar mo? Tabunok, Talisay. Taga-South ka. Familiar din mo guys. Tanong Tabunok, naata dito. Okay, so, I hope nakatry mo sa ako ang popping roasted tea. This one. Ani, so kung waka kakuha, naasa cooler. Okay? And, unsa man na siya? The popping roasted tea. Okay, so, daghan ba calories yung bigkaon right now? Bayo-bayo dyan. Okay, that's a fat burner tea. And it's served cold. What is sila? Ilog. And, okay. And good news, you can have it cold. No na itong serve. Wala na siya sugar. Na siya yung honey. Okay? And A to Z ang inahang benefit. Health benefit. And if you want hot, mas tingnan pa ng init, di ba? Naasad ka, para sa dispenser. Pinanagda ka, mas pinanagda ka mo. Okay, pinanagda ka mo. You can have that for free. And we also have kung ganahan ka makakita kung sa benefits, you can have that. So, na-flyer dito at the back. And background lang, so ang company is Fit Club and Lifestyle Center. Ato ang business. But we are promoting Herbalife products. Okay? Familiar sa Herbalife? Okay. Herbalife, we're serving people with weight problems. Kung naay ganahan mag-lose of weight, okay? For weight management, and kung labi na karoon, grabe kayo, January, diba? Excited na kayo ka, mag-New Year's resolution. Oh, so, matabangan ka ng ano. And second is, dili lang siya for weight loss. Okay? Sa may tendency itong sobra ang fat sa body. Also, prone to development of diseases, diba? Okay, usually, asa man ako ang sakit, lifestyle. So, labi na rin December. If you want this, diba, based on study, in January, very good. Naghan kayo na ay mga differential dyan. Makalit ka din. Diba? Okay, so, ako na siya. Kung namin mga kailan ang pwede matabangan, okay, pwede natin matabangan. And we also have targeted nutrition products for eye health. Labi na mga teknika ayaw ng tanan. Correct? Computer. Sige, tanaw sa mga gadgets in your cellphone. So we have eye health products. We have urinary tract health products. Okay, kaya mga pro UTI. So yun mo lang Thank you. Sige, iwan ang pasagdan ang UTI. Kuya, may custody brand. Okay, so might as well take a product na pwede makatabang nyo to prevent mga kidney disorders. Okay? And we also have, of course, for the heart. Kung sa'yo pinaka organ sa body nga, even 1 second, hindi pwede na hindi mo function. Heart. Kung sa'yo kung ibuhat para may healthy atong heart. Now, lechon. Now, ba? Okay? So, we have, of course, products na makatabang nyo for your triglyceride, cholesterol level, for better circulation. So, right now, ating running out, of course, healthy aging products. Na amoy mga mama, papa, mga auntie, mga tita. Okay? So, we have healthy aging products. Okay, so, again, I started the business when I was 27 years old. So, right now, 23 years na ako sa business, I'm 51 years old. Okay? And, okay? So, right now, since we're expanding this to Cebu City, we are also looking for part-time distributors. January, kung dissatisfied sa ilang income, January, ganahan din sila extra income. Okay, we have an income and travel opportunity. Okay, pwede siya part-time, 1 to 2 hours ang after office. So, background, I'm a registered nurse. I used to work sa bank. 1 to 2 hours ng after office. Okay, so ang akong 1 month na sweldo sa bangko na kuha na ko, part-time lang sir, balik. 1 to 2 hours after office. After 1 year and a half doing it part-time, ako 5 to 6 months na sweldo, nakuha na ako part-time. 1 month part-time. So, muna siya. So right now, we're really encouraging people na magamit for better health, better lifestyle. Kung di ka ganang mag-distributor, wala kong sanay. Use it for personal consumption, for better health. Diba? But if you want malibre yung paggamit, why not become a member kung nabangan sila ng yung mga kailan? Correct? Okay, so I think that's it. Very, very short message. Simple na kayo. 2025, 2024, tinalitan mga struggles na yan. Okay? And 2025, let's face it, with a better outlook. Correct? And if you want for better health, better lifestyle, and feel free to PM me. Okay? Or text me.